Creepy swimming pool, scary story, true night fear. Late at night, a woman went to an empty swimming pool, drawn by the calm, glassy water. The lights beneath the pool flickered, casting strange shadows that moved even when the water was still. She dipped her feet in and shivered. The water was ice cold. As she swam, she felt something brush against her leg. She told herself it was just her imagination. Then she heard splashing behind her, slow and heavy, but when she turned, the pool was empty. Suddenly, the underwater lights went out. In the darkness, fingers wrapped around her ankle and pulled her down. She kicked and screamed, but no sound escaped underwater. Just as her lungs burned, the lights flickered back on. She was alone, gasping at the edge of the pool. Then she noticed the wet handprints climbing up the tiles behind her.